Hello, my name is Gabriel Kiewek. I am the Vice President of Operations for Nippon Gases Europe, and I've been leading the procurement team for Nippon Gases for the last 3 years. So we basically had 3 goals. The first one was to have full visibility of our spend, and throughout the different years where we've grown our business, where we have been able to expand our geography, expand our footprint, we have done so through a series of M&As. And each time we've done that, of course, we've brought the new companies on board with different ERPs, with different systems, different solutions. So having full visibility of our spend and having the same type of process on how we manage our suppliers was really important for us. And then expand on those 2 things going forward, and being able to go into a one-click mode for all of our procurement requirements was key for us to continue to move the needle in the right direction. This was a long process. It took us a little over 2 years to go through this process of selecting Zycus as our primary vendor. We went to market. We did the RFP, RFQ process. We interviewed different partners, different potential partners, different companies that were in this space. And finally, we decided to go with Zycus based on a couple of things. Number one was I had a previous experience with Zycus, and in general, there are always problems when you do an implementation and a new system process with your company, with your systems, and having the right response and having the right people manage those situations whenever they happen was critical for me. And it was clear that Zycus was willing and able to do that for us, and so that's why we went with the Zycus. I think the capabilities that Zycus has, the system that Zycus has developed, fit very well our needs. To do this in a process that was systematic. So we did not implement the full suite of different tools that Zycus had, but we were able to do this on a piece-by-piece meal basis, where it fit our internal capabilities to be able to process and to interact with the tool and with our suppliers, but also to move the needle in the right direction with our internal resources and capabilities. I would say the process that has improved the most has been the true visibility of our spend on a one-click basis. So we have developed very quick reports, and our team has now the capability of truly looking at our spend with any of our suppliers in 2 seconds. And this is actually something that used to take us weeks before. We were not able to do so in a very effective way because, again, we had ERP systems all over the place where the information was not exactly the same. Getting the information was very complicated, very cumbersome, and quite honestly, it was embarrassing to have to ask our suppliers, how much are we spending with you, instead of doing completely the opposite and providing them a clear picture of an understanding of this is what we're buying from you. Even if you're selling it to us with different names and different companies throughout the regions, we know exactly how much we buy from you, and it gives us the opportunity to truly leverage that spend and have a different type of relationship with each one of our suppliers. In the next couple of years, we are planning to finish the implementation of iRisk, which is going live as we speak. We will follow up the implementation of iRisk with the implementation of iSource, get the capabilities of doing the full-scale RFP, RFQ process across Europe in a much more effective way. Then we will start the implementation of e-procurement catalog purchase capabilities. And finally, we will do the implementation of the e-invoicing module. Eventually, we will incorporate many of the AI capabilities to our process. We want to make sure that whenever we do that, and I'm sure that we will, we do so in the right way, with the right process, with the right people, and in the right environment. We are very cautious on the type of technology that we continue to move into our different environments. But this is an ongoing process where we are working with Zycus to understand how the two companies can work together and continue to bring the benefits that we're trying to get for the business. I believe the relationship between the two companies continues to grow, continues to improve. These types of relationships, whenever you put your ERP systems and align them with third-party solutions, have basically, for me, two paths. Either they work and they work for many years to come, or they don't, and you have to cut loose these types of interactions, because you are truly connected to the hip in these types of environments. So for us, so far, the process with Zycus has been very good, very strong. Of course, it has had different challenges, but we have been able to solve these challenges as we move forward with the process, and I continue to expect that it will continue to be so going forward.